ready to get out of the trends and make a very good money for yourself, and that means you must be mining this particular coin. And if you are not mining, I tell you at the time of listening, you might be angry with yourself for not mining this particular, because I've been doing some serious research about this particular token I'm about to share with you. One of those things I love about that this particular token is that it's very easy to mine. And when I saw something very shocking, and before the end of this video, I'll be sharing it with you. So if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Click on the bell notification so that you could get notified anytime we upload any other new video like this. So what coin am I actually talking about? I'm talking about the Rubi. Yes, the Rubi coin that we are currently mining. Very easy to mine, and I tell you, it is very easy and not actually time wasting. I started late because a lot of people have started since last year. You could see currently I'm having around 2 Rubi and I'm still mining. A lot of people have gathered some good amount of money, and I think this is the actual value, because as long as it continues to mine, I see this value continues to increase. That means, and I've seen some certain people now that they have started buying this particular Rubi coin now. So that means you need to take it very serious. And a lot of people actually did mine Pi, and we see what Pi actually did. Some people that sold Pi very early before the listing on exchanges actually regretted because they sold at lost. Yes, because it was those who sold at the time of listening that we were able to sell, because I think Pi rose to around $2 plus, and some people actually make good amount of money. So let me share you some of those things I saw about Rubi that makes me to be bullish on it. You just need to come on this particular app once in a day, and what you have to do is to first download the Rubi app on Play Store. You have to download the Rubi app on Play Store or on Apple Store. So the first one is actually the app, yes, which is this one that you are seeing. So you just have to install it, and when it is time for you to use the referral code, just use a referral code called love768. Yes, that's the referral code that you could just use. Yes, this. Then when you want to write the love like this, then 768. So let's go to some certain things that we need to do. So I'll be dropping the referral code in the description of this particular video. Don't forget MLove768. And having have been currently happening when there were less than 1,000 users, they were mining 10 Rubi, and when they get to 10,000 user, it was half into 5 Rubi, it was half to 2.5, and when they get to above 100,000, it became 1.25, and now you can see now that the community has actually grown, and now we are currently mining 0.6. Yes, that is, and this is just the best time for you to start, because after this one, when we get to 10 million, we'll be mining at 0.3. So I say congratulations to those who started early. So if you are now on this particular app after you join, what you just need to do is to just tap on this your mine, and you start mining immediately. So when you come to this other place, this is where you could see your group. That means if you have a group created, and you could see your balance here. So, and when you come to this particular diamond aspect, you see. So yeah, let me show you something which is very shocking. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and click on the bell notification, and also drop your comment in the comment section of this particular video. I want to hear what you are saying about this particular Rubi token. So when you click on explore, so you want to know more about Rubi, you can actually read from them, from their facts. So this is one thing here, that Rubi is cost to $2. I'm telling you, this is just I think this is a kind of a tentative guess telling us that it's possible that this particular token is listed at $2. I tell you, just like Pi. So you could see number of unverified, number of verified, and those that are on the on-chain. So you could read more about them. So one of those things I would like to show you is that, do I need to keep the Rubi app open when mining? The answer there is no. Once you tap on the mining, you can actually close the app, and it will continue to mine. Every 24 hours, you just have to call. So this particular one is coming soon. The Rubi e-wallet, yes, for you to have a wallet created in the Rubi app. And when you come to this other side, you could see you could join your country community on Telegram, Facebook, and Zalo. Yeah, you could join this community to know much about them. And more so, you could read the company's white paper. Is very good so that you could get yourself equipped. So the Rubi team and also the company's community. So these are what you could just check. And if Rubi is actually listed at around $2, what will be the amount of Rubi that you are able to gather from now? So don't forget, I'll be dropping my referral code in the description of that video. Please kindly use it. And never forget to like, share, and click on the bell notification so you can get notified anytime I upload another new video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.